Gunshot victim reportedly named, now alleged attacker before dying. Clarendon mechanic charged with assault. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 28-year-old Damien Latouche, otherwise known as Killer, a laborer of McIntosh Drive, Kingston 3, is facing multiple serious charges following the shooting death of a man in the same community on Saturday, July 20th. The deceased is 38-year-old Ryan Anglin of the same community. Latouche has been charged with murder, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. Reports are that about 11:40 p.m., Anglin was at his home when he was shot. The police were called to the scene after residents saw Ryan running from his yard and then collapsing along the roadway. He was taken to hospital where he allegedly told a relative that he was shot by Damien Latouche. On Wednesday, July 24, Latouche handed himself into the police. He was subsequently officially charged after a question and answer session. A court date for him is being finalized. 35-year-old Showing Elliott, a mechanic of Bydale District, Milk River, Clarendon, has been charged in connection with an attack on a woman. Elliott was on Tuesday charged with assault at common law. The incident happened in Gibraltar on Saturday, July 13. Reports are that about 1:45 a.m., Elliott and the woman were arguing when he threw a liquid substance at her, after which he took out a knife and pointed it in her direction. The woman then made a report to the police. On Tuesday, July 30th, Elliott was pointed out to the police by the woman and was subsequently arrested and charged. Elliott is scheduled to appear in the Clarendon Parish Court on Monday, September 19.